Good morning, team. Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Excavation look like a nice 3-part series, but I'm gonna cut it in a 2-part. Brother, take a look at this. Are you guys looking at this? This can't cost so much. For dig foundation can't cost so much. Why you charge me so much money for just cut out there? Look at trench them, brother. You see that something there? It's called a hammer. Hammer. Remember, try see if you can set straight. Pure rock, brother. Pure. I was hoping that we never did have to go for jackhammer, but channel style. We're going to have a light day today in regards to how fast we're going to finish the foundation, but brother, this is going to turn out to be a 3D excavation process because brother, we just have book up on pure rock, like rock. Team Ismash, if you guys haven't subscribed, I'm urging you guys to subscribe as soon as possible, if not right now, and leave a like and a comment each time you guys watch the vlog. Respond to all of my comments. You guys can still email me if anything. Some people have been in my emails. May I respond to them today, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. Team Ismash, let's go. So guys, I'm gonna wheel out so tomorrow before me come back again because I can't stay all day. Shall I go on their thing? Woo.
Welcome, brother. Believe me. Yeah?
So as you guys can see, we're applying scratch coat to the wall, and after scratch coat, you know, basically scratch coat is preparing the wall. So we are going to do a plaster coating, and after plaster coating, the owner will start the floor, and then on and on. Now on this development now, we are about to finish installing these. So right now we are build them, as against the, correct me if I'm wrong, hollow steel, smooth steel. I think that's about it. So they might prepare the rails for the units. Them I don't know where go by safety and rate it. We don't want nobody fall off and broke them whatnot. So we install some rails to keep on the guys safe. So these rules are going to go on some of the units them. Once the unit is, you know, determined to be off hazard, like this are deep up here, so we are going to install some rails and have you guys, children being, or you as the parents feeling more safe having your children running up and down around the building without one day wake up and see a child doing something like that. So team, as I can see, for the most part, we dig what we can dig already. So the guys them are gonna come in and clean out. So the main reason why I want to get this vlog earlier than now is because rains. We've been having rain for the past 3 days now. So no work was being done, and today sun start shine and give a little blight, so we decided to come finish up. So this is the aftermath of a day's work. And at the same time, for those who will be working on site, we have set up a sewer system for them. So as you can see, the drain box is right there, connect to the lateral, and here so I go concrete off and have a little latrine for on them. So anyhow, it's Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Sorry for having this vlog coming so late. I try to make this every 3 days, and so far I haven't been doing bad. You guys can congrats me on that. And as I said, this is the return, this is the foundation of the new unit that we're constructing. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and this should be well upon a couple weeks project. And yeah, as stated, if you guys haven't as yet subscribed to the channel, please do so right now or as soon as possible, and hope to see you in my next vlog. Team Ismash, I'm out.